I know why you're excited, though. You're excited because you're inside out of the cold and the snow. Oh, that's right. I forgot. We live in Los Angeles. It's 70 degrees today. No, but let's talk about the snow, huh? The East Coast had a crazy storm over the weekend. Schools were closed, and there were accidents everywhere. It's the same thing that happens here in LA when it drizzles. It was a big storm, though. It had a name. It was called Jonas, after my favorite Jonas, Snow Jonas. Almost 27 inches of snow fell in Central Park, and it means New York is almost as white as the Oscars. Almost. It tells it like it is. I don't know if you've been following the news, but here's some footage of what was happening in New York. It's crazy. Yeah. That's Al Roker. He is wasting away. Losing so much weight. No, that wasn't real. But this is, and if you haven't seen it yet, it's adorableness. It's the best thing to come out of the storm. It's a panda at the National Zoo. Enjoy. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, my. Oh. Oh. I don't know what to do with myself. I'm so happy. Oh. Oh. Where's that contact lens? I lost my contact lens. I don't know if you saw this. This is a man named Casey Neistat, I believe. Neistat or Neistat. He decided to take advantage of the snow in a crazy way. He attached a rope to a Jeep, and he went snowboarding all over New York City. Oh, boy. Hey, kids, don't try that at home. And if you do, don't pass by a cop. So they're saying another storm could hit the East Coast later in the week, so you have 3 days to pack up and move to Los Angeles. No, we have enough people here. There's too much traffic. No. But seriously, I am thinking of all of you affected by the storm. Stay warm, stay safe, hook up with your neighbors. And this dance is for you.